Good afternoon or good evening, guys. This is for the Geologic Time Explore blog. For question 1A, I believe fossil A has pores, looks a lot like a honeycomb, and is lighter than B. Fossil B is obviously darker in color and a lot smoother texture. Um, Fossil A, I believe, is to be tabulate coral, and fossil B, I believe it to be trilobite. For question 1B, I would say yes because you can see the sediment buildup on top of the coral itself at some point. Question number 2, um, I would say from oldest to youngest. Let me see the question. Sorry. Use the figure above to determine the time span which each organism listed below are important. List each period from oldest to youngest. So, having that said, I believe trilobite shows the importance of Cambrian period. Um, Amo no idea is from the Devonian period to the end of the Mesozoic era. Um, Anthozoa ranges from the beginning of the Devonian period to the middle of the Carboniferous period. Brachiopoda is from the beginning of the Silurian to the end of the Jurassic period. Uh, Bilvavia is from the beginning of the Tetria to the end of the Quaternary, and then Gastropoda from the Ordovician period to the end of the Silurian period. And then for the last question, um, which asks, do you expect to find trilobites and/or ammonites in the sedimentary rocks in South Florida? Yes or no? Explain why. I would say just because I would say yes, just because I've personally seen them myself. I've been to Key West pretty much every year. At least I go once or twice. And there's a certain spot where there's a bunch of big rocks that has you can see the fossils in them. I mean, I don't know how old they are or how long they've been there, but I mean, I remember as a kid I would try to rip them off the rocks, and it's pretty much impossible. And also just because trilobites, they were, or their habitats were marine environments, which I mean South Florida, that's what we're all about here. So yeah, that's about it.